Well, this is a totally different contract to what we've seen before. When franchises have been bid for before, they've been bid on a franchise revenue model, which is where the train operator will predict how much money they expect to earn over that period of time. This is going to be slightly different in a way that we're not going in that direction anymore. What will happen is that after each year there will be a review to see if that sort of projections are on target, rather than a train company several years down the line finding they weren't actually making the money they were expecting to make. So this is a different approach, and it's one of the problems that we've had with franchising over a number of years that we need to get away from. Well, the two phases will see the existing West Coast train services taken over until 2026, and by that time HS2 to Birmingham should be run, and then the second phase will include HS2 services to Birmingham, which will run out of new stations in London. They'll run out of Euston, but they'll also run on a different route to Birmingham, which will free up capacity elsewhere for other trains on the network. Well, initially, what First and Trenitalia have said is that they're going to get rid of the Voyager fleet by 2022. The Voyager fleet currently serves places like North Wales and one or two other locations, but that will mean that they're going to get some new bimode trains, which will mean running electric trains under electric wires rather than diesel trains under diesel wires, which we do at the moment. They'll also have 263 extra trains by December 2022, which will obviously provide greater capacity for other services around the network. Well, it's all part and parcel of this partnership approach, where they'll obviously be working more closely together rather than the railway train operator putting their finger up in the air and saying, well, our predictions are going to be this amount of money in so many years, which have failed to materialise over a number of occasions. And they've brought franchising into disrepute, and we need to look at a different way forward, and this is the first step in that new way forward.